Hello and welcome back to our channel Web T Point, and today we are going to continue our project, and here we talk about Fontawesome. So go to fontawesome.com at first, and here you see the get started. Here you see the download for Fontawesome for yourself and install locally and use it as desktop app. Here you see now we are using this one for now, so download this. And this is for free one, so download Fontawesome for free for web. So it's getting downloaded, and here you can see the documents. Here we can use SVG, styles for Fontawesome, less for says, and different fonts with different styles like bold, italic, bold or non-bold, and here you see extra bold, and which one is free and which one is pro. Here you see, and here now we are going to use free one. We don't use pro one, and we may use pro one in real projects. Once you are familiar with all of this, then you can go with pro one and do real projects. And here you see the cheat sheet also for Fontawesome. You see this one. I'll also show you how to use this in the later videos. And here you can see how to use it also. Styling, reference, and cheat sheet. And here you can see CSS pseudo elements, and you can use like this also. With styles, you can also use fonts in your styles. Like first you have to define this Fontawesome 5 for free font weight, then the content of font, which font you want to use this. Just choose there from styles cheat sheet, and then here you can find this code in cheat sheet, and which font you gonna use, you find it and just use it in place of here. You can use the font like this, and here you see the result will be like this. Now we have to go to the folder that we downloaded. Just cut it out, and then go to our project folder, and then you can paste it out here, extract it, After you use this, you can remove the this folder also. Here just I am showing you how to unzip the file, how to download, unzip, and how to use it in our project. So after we use it, then we can also remove this one and this one from our project. So just open our folder. Here you see the CSS and JS, and here you see the this one, web fonts. We copy it out, we copy it, and we have to paste it here. And if you don't use this, we may not get the icons, so we have to use that in our project. And then what we have to do is that we can only use these two classes for now. Just copy it out, and this is JavaScript file. So here in our JS file, paste, and then go to CSS and bootstrap that min.css. No, sorry, not here. We go to this one, and here all .css and min.css. Just copy it out, and then go to our CSS file, then paste it. Now we have the files for Fontawesome. Then we have to link this in our project. So what we do is that go to our head section, then before the style sheet we should have link to get that file, and the path is CSS. Then all dot we use minified CSS here for font, all dot min.css for Fontawesome. Then I have also used JavaScript file here, and the path is JS, and all dot. Here also we got one is minified and the other one is non-minified. What happens in minified is that it is not in the line after next line, so it take some less space, and it will be have the speed will be fine if we use this minified one. All that min dot jQuery. Check once, let me check. All dot min dot js. All dot min dot js. We have proper files, and we have the links to that files. And once we have links, proper links to the files of the Fontawesome, then we can use the icons wherever we want to. So just go and check it out. What we need: one Facebook, Twitter, Insta, what is that, vlog, and the YouTube icon. Here we use these 5 icons, and go to start, and we search for icons. Go to the Fontawesome, and then go to icons. Here you see different icons. some are the pro icons and some are free. You see these dark one are free icons, and the one that are pro you see in the gray color. And when we hover this, you see the pro one, and the pro one is not free, we have to pay for it. And the one that are black color, dark black, they are free and we use it in our project. So search for Facebook icon, Facebook, Facebook icon. Here you see the icons, these are all free icons, so we can use whatever we feel good. So we are using this first one, I usually use in my project. So this one is the link in this I tag. Here is the class for this Fontawesome icon. So we copy this class or simply hover this and you will get a copy HTML, and we can copy it by clicking on it. And here is also download SVG, also we can download SVG also, and simply copy the HTML class and paste this in our project and check it out. Here you see we got the Fontawesome icon, and now what we are going to do is that we are using 5 icons and the process is same. What we do is that search for the icon like Facebook, Twitter, Twitter, and search for this, and the icon will appear. And here are 2 icons. Whatever icon you prefer, you can use this. Normally I use this one. Just click it out, copy, and then for now paste here. And we are using 5 icons for total. Control V, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the second one we replace this I class, I tag, with this one class. Now Facebook, Twitter, Insta, blog, Twitter, now Instagram. Insta is short for Instagram. And here you see here are also 2 icons. I prefer this one. Click it out, copy this and simply paste. Now also need blog, BLOG blog. Search for the icon. Here you see the blog icon. So copy this out, replace this, and the last one is YouTube. So search for YouTube icon, YouTube, and then you see 2 icons. Normally I prefer the first one, and you may use whatever you like to use. Now just check it out if we are in the proper way or not. We are in absolute proper way. We are using the icons that are appearing fine. And what we do is that ULLI, we make it the inline block element. Here you see it's getting 100% width, and to make it in one line we use inline block. So go to our CSS, ul.sm. sm is classed, you see, sm is classed, that we used, ul.smli, and this we make inline block, and the margin right will be 10 pixel for now. And for the last one, I think we don't need the margin right, so last child will have the margin right 0. Check it out. Yeah, here we are in the proper way. So one thing you notice that this one is one section and the follow section is the other one, and it's not getting the gap. And here to use some gap, what we are going to do is footer title dot social media. Just copy it out, dot control V, and you have to make it this way. You should not have the space here. If we use space, then it will not work, because the two classes are in the same line. If the two classes are in the same line, then you should not have the space before the dot. Now this will be margin top will have a 30 pixel. Yeah, here you see. Now all looks good, and as I noticed, the title is some bigger, so font size of the title should be 20 pixels or 18 pixels. I think 18 pixels will be fine. So footer title and aspo is in aspo tag, so font size we use is 18 pixels for now. Okay, now it looks far more better than before in this font size, and the size of these links, you see, this one we can use we can use uppercase for this text transform uppercase, or I think the normal one is looking better for now, so leave it for now. And the gapping, you see, the footer title aspo should have margin bottom of 10 pixels. It will be fine. Okay, go to the CSS, and the margin bottom will be 10 pixels. And it looks more than fine now. And the color we can use for social media is we'll have color of FFCC 0000, and the font size we can use 20 pixel or 22 pixels. Okay, so ul.smlia for social media, ulsmli it should have font size of 22 pixel and color. Here we can use FF0000 red, and while we hover this, hovering on it, what we get, the color code we use will be this one, this hovered one. While we hover this, what we get, this one, and here also we use color hovered one. Okay, now you see the hover also. Now everything looks fine, and we have our fine one design, homepage design using Bootstrap 4. Hope you liked the video and you liked all the videos and the project. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and press the like button, and press the ring to get the notification for my upcoming videos. So thank you.